Okay students, let us solve our exercise 1.3 of question number 1 and the sub part of question number 1 is 2. Okay, here we have to differentiate y is equal to cube root of 4x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 whole divided by 5 minus 2x to the power 2. Okay, this one is a complicated function can involve product, quotient and power of functions. Okay, here y is equal to, we can write it first in exponent form, means y is equal to fx to the power g of x. First of all, we can write it as y is equal to f of x to the power g of x. Clear? So first of all, make this as y is equal to f of x to the power g of x. कैसे? Cube root, we know that cube root of x can be written as x to the power 1 by 3. Cube root of x means this one is in radical form, radicand form, and this one is our exponent, our index form. Index, this one is radicand form, radicand form, and this one is index form. Okay, so first of all, since this one is our in radicand form, we have to convert it into index form. कैसे? 4x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 into 5 minus 2x to the power 1 by 3. Cube root means 1 by 3. Okay. Here, this function changes in y is equal to f of x to the power g of x. This one is f of x, this one is g of x. If we take log of both sides, we can simplify it easily. Okay, so taking log of both sides, log of both sides is equal to log of 4x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 into 5 minus 2x to the power 1 by 3. Correct? Log of m to the power n, and n is 1 by 3, and the property of log of m to the power n is equal to n into log of m. Correct? Log of m to the power n is equal to n into log of m. So this one is equal to n means 1 by 3. N means 1 by 3 into log of 4x minus 1 whole divided by 2x plus 3 into 5 minus 2x, squaring is clear हो गया? Any problem? N means 1 by 3 is multiplied by log of 4x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 into 5 minus 2x to the power 2. Here, if we realize this one is our m by n, this one is m, numerator is 4x minus 1 and denominator is a product of two functions, two linear functions, 2x plus 3, 5 minus 2x power 2. So m by n, log of m by n, log of m by n to the base e is equal to log of m to the base e minus log of n to the base e. So applying, this one is m, this one is n. So this one is equal to 1 by 3 into log of m. M means, you can write it as log of 4x minus 1 to the base e. You can write base e or you are free, right? E is understood, means natural logarithms. Okay, log of what is minus 1 minus log of 2x plus 3 into 5 minus 2x power 2 and to the base e. Clear now? Log of m by n. This one is m and numerator is working as n. Log of m minus log of n. Log of m minus log of n. This is equal to 1 by 3 into log of copy paste means 4x minus 1 to the base e minus. Here log of this one is m, this one is n. Log of product rule. Log of product rule, and you know that log of m into n is equal to log of m plus log of n. Clear? Product rule, law of product rule, log of m into n is equal to log of m to the base e plus log of n to the base e. Clear? Same. So let us apply log of m into n. We get log of m means 2x plus 3 and plus log of n 5 minus 2x square. Okay? Clear? And next process is open the brackets, open the curly brackets. We get 1 by 3 into log of e into 4x minus 1 minus 1 by 3 as a whole multiplier, 1 by 3 into log of 2x plus 3 plus into minus minus and 1 by 3 into log of 5 minus 2x power 2. Okay, leave that bracket. Clear? One thing is remaining. Here log of m to the power n. Log of m to the power n, and this one is equal to 1 by 3 into log of e 4x minus 1 minus 1 by 3 into log of 2x plus 3 minus log of m to the power n. N is multiplied. N is working as multiplier. So 1 2s are 2 means 2 by 3 into log of 5 minus 2x. Clear? So this one is our last simplified form of the given function. We have to differentiate it further. Okay, students, please note down. Okay, students, so we have log of y is equal to log of y. Again, I am repeating. I am writing again 1 by 3. This one is 1 by 3 into log of 4x minus 1 minus 1 by 3 log of 2x plus 3 minus 2 by 3 into log of 5 minus 2x. Okay, let us differentiate. Let us find derivative of both sides with respect to x. Derivative of both sides with respect to x. We get derivative of log of y. We know that 1 upon y, and using chain rule, derivative of y, that is dy by dx is equal to. Clear? Derivative of log x 1 upon x, and derivative of x is 1. So here derivative of log of y 1 upon y, and derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. This one is 1 by 3 is a constant. Log of x means 1 upon x. 1 upon x, that is 4x minus 1. Okay, and derivative of 4x minus 1 using chain rule. Derivative of 4x minus 1 is 0. So 4 minus 1 by 3. Derivative of log x, 1 upon x, that is 2x plus 3, and derivative of 2x plus 3, 2. X is 1, 3 is 0. So we have 2 minus 2 by 3. Derivative of log x, 1 upon 5 minus 2x into derivative of 5, 0, and minus 2x minus 2. Clear? This is equal to 4 by 3. 4 ones are 4. 4 by 3 into 1 upon 4x minus 1 minus 2 by 3 into 1 upon 2x plus 3 minus 2 2s are 4, minus into minus plus 4 by 3 into 1 upon 5 minus 2x. Clear? But we have to find dy by dx. We have to find dy by dx. So y 1 upon y to the right hand side, y is multiplied with the whole functions. Y is equal to, here is y, 1 upon y and y. But y, we have to find the value of y. Y is cube root of 4x minus 1 whole dividing by 2x plus 3 into 5 minus 2x power 2. Okay? 1 divided by x is equal to y is multiplied, but we have to find the actual value of y. Here y is this. So write the actual value of y. And the remaining terms are 4 ones are 4 is 4 by 4 divided by 3 times 4x minus 1 minus 2 ones are 2. 2 divided by 3 times 2x plus 3 plus 4 divided by 3 into 5 minus 2x. This one is our answer. Okay, students, any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Clear one? Okay, that is 4 ones are 4, 3 times 4x minus 1, 2 ones are 2, and 3 into 2x plus 3, and 4 ones are 4, 3 by. This one is our answer. Okay, note कीजिए. Clear? Please copy that.